Small bluish lines that appear beneath the skin are frequently the first signs of these wrinkles. Varicose veins, on the other hand, become more painful. They also become thicker and more apparent over time. There are millions of people who suffer from them, particularly women. They are not only a problem for aesthetic reasons, but also because they induce a feeling of heaviness, tension, swelling, or even inflammation. This condition is typically treated with ointments, surgery, or compression stockings. However, very few people are aware of a vitamin that addresses the root cause of the problem. In addition to enhancing circulation and strengthening veins from the inside out, it can also help lessen the appearance of varicose veins if it is taken on a regular basis. So now let's start. Number 1. The secret vitamin, vitamin C. Vitamin C, sometimes referred to as ascorbic acid, should be considered the secret miracle vitamin for varicose veins. A significant number of individuals are only aware of its ability to strengthen the immune system. However, its actual power is revealed in the connective tissue and blood vessels. The synthesis of collagen and elastin, two structural proteins that ensure vein walls remain stiff, elastic, and resilient, absolutely requires vitamin C. Vitamin C is needed for the formation of these proteins. There is a possibility that a deficiency will cause the walls of the blood vessels to become weaker, expand, and develop varicose veins. Number 2. The connection between connective tissue and varicose veins. When the venous valves are unable to seal properly, a condition known as varicose veins happens. This causes the blood to pool and the vessels to permanently widen. Vitamin C, on the other hand, is available to help in this situation. It improves the strength of the venous valves as well as the structures that surround them. In addition to this, it possesses an antioxidant function, which shields the vein walls from the oxidative stress that can be brought on by inflammation, smoking, sugar, or ultraviolet radiation, for example. Therefore, vitamin C administration can slow down or even reverse the degradation of the vascular structure. Number 3. How quickly does it work and why? The sensation of heaviness and tension in the legs can be alleviated even after only a few days of consistent usage of vitamin C, particularly when it is combined with other flavonoids. In addition to reducing edema and preventing the development of new varicose veins, studies have shown that large dosages of vitamin C increase the production of collagen and improve capillary integrity. Number 4. The best natural sources for daily vein care. Rose hips, sea buckthorn, bell peppers, broccoli, kiwi, and citrus fruits are some of the foods that contain a very high concentration of vitamin C. Utilizing bioflavonoids in conjunction with vitamin C derived from natural extracts results in an effect that is much more potent. These secondary plant compounds not only boost absorption, but also have the ability to strengthen veins through their actions. Natural supplements frequently contain rutin, quercetin, and hesperidin, which are among the most well-known examples. Number 5. The super combination, vitamin C plus OPC plus exercise. When vitamin C is combined with OPC, such as what is found in grapeseed extract, the results are twice as beneficial. Omega-3 fatty acid, OPC, is a plant substance that has the ability to constrict veins, reduce inflammation, and boost the effects of vitamin C. During this time, it is important to incorporate daily workouts that are moderate in intensity, such as walking, foot circles, and calf exercises. Physical activity is the only way to trigger the muscular pump, which brings blood from the veins back to the heart. Number 6. The underestimated danger of vitamin C deficiency. There is a high probability that a chronic shortage will go unnoticed, even when a diet appears to be healthy. Bruises, bleeding gums, difficulty healing wounds, fatigued skin, and the appearance of varicose veins are some of the typical warning signs that may be present. The consumption of vitamin C should be carefully evaluated by anyone who is experiencing these symptoms, and, if necessary, they should supplement with supplements of a high grade. Final words. If you found this video to be beneficial, please remember to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other people who might find it useful. Because of your support, I am able to continue developing personal health advice for you.